Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Lenovo HD116 headphones to any Android phone or tablet. First of all, you need to find the power button on your headphones. It's located right here next to this buzz button. Let me just catch focus on it. Okay, as you can see, the button is right here, and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator turns on. So let's do this right now. And right now we have to release that power button, and after a few seconds this indicator turns to the blue and the red. It means that our headphones are visible to other devices, so we can simply go to the Bluetooth settings on our Android device, click to pair new device, and select from the list HD116 headphones. Accept pairing. And as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.